So excited to teach you guys this cheer. We're gonna start in our cheer stance, and normally we would go straight to a clap, but this one's different. So it's gonna be like, lightning, let's go. Just like that, that's all. Okay, and then it's going to go into our team is here to fight, and most of the actions happen on the words. So it's gonna be hit a T, our team, down, is, here, and then fight. So it's like here to, and then fight. So it'll be like, our team is here to fight. Okay, super easy. And then we're gonna go to our right with this hand, our big cinnamon rolls out. Take it all. Okay, super easy. Take it all. And then we're gonna open back up. Take it all. And win tonight. Okay? Win tonight. Now we're gonna do the toe touch, which is the hard part. But it starts like this. Here's the arms. It's gonna hit here and around and down. So it's just one full circle. And then it's we're here to take the crown, cross, and will never back and out to T, down, and top, and up, lightning. And that's all, you got it.